Performing flute budding. In performing flute budding, you will need these following tools and materials: a budding knife, grafting tape or any available plastic tie, rootstock with a healthy bud stick, and another rootstock. Identify the active growth part of the plant. This is usually found around the middle part of the stem where the green and brown bark meet. Make 2 horizontal cuts around the active growth part. Do this in a circular motion, leaving at least 1/8 of the circles uncut. Scrape the bark off. There should be a narrow strip of the bark left on the stem. Select a healthy budstick from one of the rootstock. Make the same circular cut around the identified budstick. Remove the bark together with the bud. Attach the bud into the cut part of the other rootstock. The bud and the bark must cover the peeled area completely. Tie the union. Wrap the bud with a single layer of plastic to avoid water from coming in contact with the union. Cut the upper part of the rootstock. Remove the tie when the buds start to swell.